Look, I know you got that W-2 in hand and you are so ready to file. But before you go file, watch this. Hi, and welcome to the channel. Welcome to Tax Talks with Terry. My name is Terry. So I know y'all are ready to file. I know the IRS is doing some hub testing. So some people have been able to submit their returns. But before you go, I want you guys, pump your brakes, be patient, because I think you're going to want to wait to file your return this year. So the IRS did give us an opening date of January the 29th, so that's when they will start officially accepting tax returns, okay? So here's the deal, okay? The politicians, they're trying to reach an agreement on increasing the child tax credit. Okay, so they have a child tax credit bill, and I'm looking down in my notes because I don't want to get off track and forget what I'm saying. Okay, so they have a child tax credit bill that's on the table. Okay, so right now you're able to get $2,000 per child. Well, if this bill passed, it will increase to $3,600. For those that are not familiar with the child tax credit, let me give you a little rundown of who would possibly qualify for this bill, okay? For this credit. So your child has to be under the age of 17 at the end of the tax year. So if you have a child that was 17 at the end of 2023, then I'm talking to you, okay? It could be your son, your daughter, stepchild, eligible foster child, brother, sister, stepbrother, stepsister, half brother, all of that, okay? If they're a qualifying child and they were 17, they were under the age of 17 at the end of 2023, then you definitely, this change will affect you, okay, in a positive way. All right, so the child cannot provide more than half of their financial support throughout the year. They had to live with you for more than half of the year. They had to be a U.S. citizen, okay, and be properly claimed as a dependent on your tax return, okay. So those are just that's just a little rundown of what kids will qualify for this credit. So I know you have a lot of tax preparers that's out there, and they're saying, hey, you can get $3,600 for per child for this child tax credit. But you know what? On this side of the internet, this side in the terrorist tax service streets, I like to keep it real with you, okay? This is a non-refundable credit, which means it brings your income down to a level where you're able to qualify for certain credits and things like that. It doesn't necessarily mean that if you have a child that qualifies for this, you're going to walk away with $3,600 in your pocket, okay? So it's kind of a non-refundable credit. It brings your taxable income down to a level where you can possibly qualify for other credits. Okay. The reason why I'm instructing my people personally to wait to file is because they're going to be making a decision on the 29th of January on whether they're going to approve this increase on this tax credit, okay? So if you go ahead and file now, they have not really made it clear if they will go back and adjust things, or what I really think, my personal opinion, being in this business for over 10 plus years, that you would have to actually file an amendment, okay? So trust me, it's new situation. So even though I've been in the game for a long time, they never cease to amaze me, okay? So don't quote me on that. This is just my personal opinion on that part, okay? So you definitely want to, I would say wait, Okay, you just go ahead and wait. I know that they're doing hub testing now, and some people are able to submit their returns, and and especially like if they're trying to get tax advance loans, things like that. You definitely want to wait, okay? Because you don't want to submit the return and then this bill pass, and then now you have to do an amendment. All right, it takes 16 weeks. 16 weeks, y'all. It might be almost toward the end of the year before you even hear anything back for the amendment. So y'all just wait. Just wait, just wait, just wait. If you can, just wait, because you definitely don't want to leave money on the table. We all need our coins, okay? We need our coins. And sometimes patience is a virtue. So, if you have any additional questions, and you definitely want to drop those below. If it's any personal questions dealing with your personal taxes, you definitely would want to book a consultation with me so that we can have that one-on-one time and I can answer any questions that you have. If you are in search for a tax preparer that can get you the maximum that you're due legally, I will have my information down in the description box below. Whether you're a self-preparer of taxes, whether you go hire a professional, you definitely want to follow this page because I will be giving updates now through the tax season about different changes, different things to watch out for. And just giving you information, because y'all, even if you hand your taxes over to someone else, you still want to know what's going on. I am so big on educating my people so that they will know, because guess what? You are just as responsible for what that tax preparer puts on your tax return as they are, okay? And I've seen horror stories all while I've been in this industry, where a tax preparer did certain things, put certain credits on there, did all of that kind of stuff, and they were stuck with hefty fines and everything. You need to know what you're looking at, okay? You need to have some type of knowledge of what's going on when you're having someone else prepare your return, and even when you're preparing your return, whether it be through TurboTax or any other software that you may purchase, okay? So thank you guys for tuning in for this first tax talk. I'm so excited. I've had this channel forever and I have not done anything with it. Make sure to also follow us, Terry's Tax Service LLC, on Facebook. I'll have all that information in the description box below. Don't forget to like, share this video, because somebody needs to know this information, okay? We need to stop them before they go and do something that's going to cause more headache later, okay? So like the video, share the video, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell so that when I drop new videos, you'll be the first to know. All right, welcome to our first tax talk with Terry, and y'all have a wonderful, blessed evening.